Gents, how we doing? So back with another video. I'm trying to edit a delete video for this truck, but it's taking me longer than usual. So I wanted to get after this video because I just got new tail lights in. The purpose of new tail lights was because this left driver's side started pretty much, it was like a pool of water that was up to here. That was not good, so I drilled some holes, and then once I drilled some holes, I still saw moisture. The taillight looked terrible. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some VHT. So I did that. I sprayed them a little too dark. As you can see, this is how dark it is. And then this tail light really did not recover well from the water moisture that was compiled in this one for quite some time. So what I ended up doing was purchasing new tail lights. These are smoke black. This one's already installed. The lines are great. I'm telling you, look at this. Crisp lines all around. So here's the lock, here's the unlock. They look good. I didn't want to spend 400, 500 bucks on like Morimotos. So what I did was do a lot of research and try and figure out which ones were like most bang for the buck. LEDs, something that looked good, didn't look, you know, too cheap. So these were 150 bucks. I can't, they look good. I mean, you be the judge. They look good. 150 bucks, plug and play. I just tightened up the 8mm, so this is what we're gonna do. If they give out, maybe I'll go Morimotos, but I'm not trying to spend 500 bucks on tail. They came really well packaged. Made in Taiwan, the Republic of China, so I do not mind supporting Taiwan. So anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and remove this tail light. 2 8mm bolts, okay? Remove these, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I do to unplug and connect the new tail lights. All right, so let's check out how we are looking. So I removed both tail lights. These are the new tail lights installed. I'll go ahead and stand right behind. Unlock. Solid. and there's lock. So I am very impressed with the fit. These actually lined up better than OEM. I have no idea how that works. Oh, there may be some lights on the side. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty cool. Anyways, the lines on these taillights line up really well. I was reading some reviews and they were like, oh, it doesn't line up well, it's sticking out, all that. I gave it a chance for 150 bucks. Let's see how long these last, but these fit extremely well. No complaints with the way they look. Look solid. 2 lights on the side. Look at that. Not bad. All right. Pretty cool. Anyways, if y'all looking for taillights, give these a try.